In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin on Google My Business. Navigating the digital landscape of your business requires not just a keen eye for detail, but also the ability to delegate responsibilities efficiently. Google My Business stands as a beacon for customers trying to find you online. However, managing it solo can be quite a task, especially as your business grows. Adding an admin to your Google My Business account is a savvy move to ensure your listing remains accurate, up-to-date, and engaging. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to head to your preferred web browser and type in business.google.com. This is your gateway to accessing your Google My Business profile. Navigating this site is fairly straightforward, and once logged in, you're halfway there. After signing in, your next move is to look for three dots that usually signify more options. These dots are subtly positioned, but carry the weight of numerous possibilities, including the access you're about to grant to a trusted individual. Upon clicking these three dots, a drop-down menu unfurls. Here you're looking for an option labelled Business Profile Settings. This is where the magic begins. Think of this as the control room of your Google My Business listing, where every tweak, adjustment and refinement can be made. Once inside your business profile settings, it's time to seek out People and Access. This section is crucial because it's all about who gets to do what within your Google My Business account. Whether it's posting updates, replying to reviews, or editing business information, here is where you decide on those privileges. In the People and Access area, your goal is to find and click on the Add button. This is your first step toward bringing someone else on board to help manage your listing. Remember, shared effort equals lesser burden and more dynamism for your business online presence. This brings us to quite an essential part: entering the email address of the person you wish to add as an admin. Ensure it's an email address they frequently use, as Google will send them an invite via this email. It's a straightforward procedure, but do double check for any typos to avoid delays. Finally, the last action you need to take is clicking on Invite. By doing so, you send out a digital handshake to the potential admin, inviting them to partake in the management and enhancement of your Google My Business profile. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding an admin to your Google My Business account. This move not only distributes the workload, but also potentially enriches your listing with new ideas and perspectives from your chosen admin. Remember, the goal is to always keep your business listing as engaging and updated as possible. This not only boosts your visibility online, but ultimately serves to enhance customer interaction and satisfaction. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Here's to growing and managing your online presence with ease and collaboration.